Sometimes I get lonely, and that's a hard thing to say, till I wound up in the wrong side of Mississippi. A little more than a getaway. Don't talk to yourself.
We on? So we're about to do the red carpet for the Tolerance Museum, honoring Mr. Dirty Harry himself, Clint Eastwood, and see the red carpet. It's a sure. This will be fun. So come on.
Feel the heat in the cold. Cut the air with a knife, but you're just passing through it. You've never been there in your whole life. Well, don't you know it will get through, baby? I just don't see how. You know it's written on the faces of every little passing town. The sun is sinking down on the delta. Tender breeze blows, whispers through Gran Torino, listening another time song. Engines on, bitter dreams grow, a heart locked in a Gran Torino, beats along the rhythm all night long. Streets are old, they shine with things I've known, and breaks through the trees are sparkling. The world is nothing more than all the tiny things you've left behind. Be on my way.